Sarura Kids.
Right, sweetie? I know. Right, we're not starting yet. Right, sweetie. What we're doing today, listen to mommy. I know, listen to mommy. What we're doing today is we're going to do some colouring in and some painting. So today, it's up to you. You can decide. You can draw something on the first paper on your own.
Yeah.
Or you can do some colouring in. Or you can even draw some more things. Wow, blue and yellow. Great start. Meanwhile, somebody is colouring in something in her mind with a magic marker. And she managed to commandeer from mummy. Yay! That's good. What are you going to draw? What are you drawing? Oh, sorry, Daddy.
No, you did use clothes paper.
We did painting, Daddy.
Yes, we're doing painting. Come on, draw. Vongai, draw. Come on, Vongai, draw. She decided she's off. Okay, bye. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. Oh, see you later. Ah, you got an important business to do you? Important people to see. Gogo can also use chalk or the marker to do some drawing or some colouring in.
I have pencils.
Yes, you've also got pen. Oh, I don't know where the pencils are, sweetie. Mummy didn't take them out on time.
Or this.
Mm.
Oh, no. No.
Hello? Do some colouring here. You can do some painting. You can let baby have a brush if she wants a brush. Thank you. And you can carry on doing some painting. There's lots of brushes for everybody. If she wants to do some painting as well, she can. That's what it's there for.
Oh, it's not working. Work.
No, somebody ate it.
Oh,
Who ate it?
baby.
I think if baby has your name, then yes, baby ate it.
Yeah.
Although baby is a very hungry person. She eats everything. Very hungry caterpillar, eating all the foam brushes and everything.
Look. Anna. What's that?
That's a very good question, Gogo. Who is that? Gogo, who did you draw? Please, Gogo, tell us. What? Because I can't tell who that is.
That's Gogo.
Gogo just did the self-portrait.
Isn't it?
No.
It doesn't look anything like anyone. Gogo drew very interesting.
Very interesting, Gogo.
Oh yeah.
She's made a picture of herself.
Thank you, Crayola, for making edible paint.
I know. Let's paint here. I know. Come, let's paint the elephant. Are we coloring in, I know?
And have you done the elephant's little tail?
No.
I'm going to colour in his tail.
Let's color the car. Daddy's car. Is this, whose car is this one, I know?
Daddy's.
Daddy's car. Let's color Daddy's car.
No!
What color?
Don't cut it! Don't cut
Okay, what do you want to do with the car?
What color is your daddy's car?
It's black.
It's a black car. So what do you want to do with that car?
Not pink. Not blue.
Or you just want to leave it like that?
Do you want to draw Mummy's car?
What color is mommy's car?
Blue.
Yes, Mummy's car is blue. Can you draw Mummy's car?
No.
It's
Not here.
not there, no. Can you draw it for Mummy?
No. I can't find it.
You can't find it. Okay, Mummy will have to draw you her car another time. Or maybe Gogo can draw it.
Gogo not doing it. She's not doing my car.
Yes, Gogo's doing Mummy's car.
Yeah.
Right. And the wheels. Is that mommy's car?
Mhm.
Do you want to color it?
No. I don't want it.
Okay, do you want to colour in the flower?
Not working.
Look, I know.
That's working.
Is that one working? Okay.
Yeah. It's working.
Okay.
Don't cut it. Oh, mommy car.
Yes, you coloured it in very nicely. Yeah. Do you like Mummy's car?
What's wrong with mommy car?
It's way full.
Yes, because you coloured it in with lots and lots.
Dirty.
Does it maybe need a clean?
No, it's not a nice one. It's too dirty. You need to clean it.
Okay, you can clean it later.
Can clean it later. Mommy
Right,
car.
Mummy's going to let you finish colouring in.
I want to clean.
Yeah, you can finish colouring in. But can you say bye-bye to your friends?
No.
Come say bye-bye to your friends, sweetie. Look at Mummy. And then you can finish colouring in.
Oh.
Say bye-bye to your friends and we'll show them what you do afterwards.
Make mommy car clean.
Okay, we'll clean up Mummy's car. Mummy will draw you another one in a second. Say bye-bye to your friends and we'll see them later. Bye! See you guys later.